So this is a special day for me. I'm really excited. It's about a week past my birthday. Fränz is just now getting around to giving me a birthday present. We're at Schueberfouer, or as they say in Luxembourg, Schueberfouer.
Schueberfouer.
Schueberfouer. It kind of bounces back and forth, like your tennis match. Schueberfouer, Schueberfouer. Well, you said you got something for me.
Yeah. Here.
It makes sounds.
They saw it first. You want to see what's inside here?
I do want to see what's inside. It looks a little beaten up. Let me just show you this. So this... He's blowing his nose with the ribbon that was on it.
Sorry, I forgot.
Maybe there's an animal in there that has to breathe. Something. I hear yodeling. It must be like an Alps themed thing, right? Fränz is just in the Alps, right? In the Piedmont?
Piedmont, I've been, yeah. Okay, go ahead. Find out what's in it.
You got me some slippers?
Yeah, I got those for free.
Oh, yes.
You wanted another bike.
I can ride wheelies on this one. I like the color too.
Yeah.
Shower cap?
Yeah, shower cap. You know that?
Shower cap?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't I know that? So I'm gonna go out on a limb here.
Yeah.
And you took some of the free things you got in your room and decided to give them to me. Another hat?
Yes.
So cool.
I knew that you were a hat guy.
I am a hat guy. So you got me 2 hats, and this is the 3rd hat.
This is a real hat. This is Italian. Italian made.
I love it, man.
I hope you like it. It's like the Hopentates.
Perfect. Yeah. It's like Hoppentate and like the singer in AC/DC.
Exactly.
And some aloe vera soap.
Yeah.
Dude, you went above and beyond. This is so cool. Look.
I hope you like it.
I do. It's like...
It came from the heart. The only thing I didn't find somewhere.
Yeah, you look tough. Here, look at the camera.
No. Oh no, that's.
No, what does that do?
Oh, that looks stupid.
I want.
Oh, no, Mark, no.
Look.
No.
Brother, thanks. Brother, thanks. Well, that was the birthday edition of Fränz and Mike. This next guy.
No.